Mag-proceed tayo for arm wrestling instead nga ni dry leg wrestling. While waiting for participants for leg wrestling, we will now proceed for the arm wrestling. All participants per municipality, please come here at the stage to pick a number.
Arm wrestling.
Arm wrestling, one pack per municipality. So one representative per municipality. Participants for arm wrestling, please come here at the stage.
Ayo, ako Superman.
Sino pa yung participants ng arm wrestling dito?
Participants for arm wrestling, please proceed here at the multi-purpose stage.
Mali Superman dito. Tanang yung lawan. Yun sa kanang bakit daw.
At total, to everyone, just an update, a total of 300,000 cash prizes awaits for you. Thank you.
Yay!
First game for arm wrestling to be played between Natomin and Bakuko. Facilitators for the fun games, please facilitate the children. Start the tayo. For the fun games, here at my left, please facilitate.
One. This is the strongest.
Dalawa lang dito lang. Huwag dyan, may camera dyan. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Right left.
We request the audience to please kanyo kasalakan iman ti kakadol sa likod kaabuya na ta.
Sa sila to
Ito yung sides na.
natin sa round na to.
Well, thank you.
Next game is yung Barley tsaka sa Kada.
Kailang.
Yung Barley tsaka sa Kada yung
Next game will be played between Sagada and Barney.
Ano viewers mo, Mark? 6.
For our wrestling, for first prize we have 1,500. For second prize we have 1,300. For third prize we have 1,100. Third prize we have 900. Fifth prize we have 700.
Ay, naka-zoom din ka? Naka-zoom?
First game for our wrestling, Natoni and Baopo.
dito muna sila yung dalawa.
Ma-orient kayo kasi maulit DJ. Ay, ayaw nila tatlo. Cash prizes for Tag of War under male adult category. For first prize, we have 10,000 pesos. Second prize, we have 8,000. Third prize, we have 6,000. Fourth prize, we have 5,000. And fifth prize, we have 4,000. For adult category, first prize, we have 10,000. Second prize, 8,000. Third prize, 6,000. Fourth prize, 5,000. And fifth prize, we have 4,000. For Kadang-Kadang, adult category, first prize, 1,500. Second prize, 1,300. Third prize, 1,100. Fourth prize, 900. Fifth prize, 700. For leg wrestling, first prize, 1,500. Second prize, 1,300. Third prize, 1,100. Fourth prize, 900. Fifth prize, 700. And for Pinayuan, first prize is 3,000. Second prize, 2,600. third prize 2,200, and fourth prize 2,000. Fifth prize is 1,800. For fun games under sub-prize children category. First prize 800, second prize 700, third prize 600, fourth prize 500. For adult category, first prize is 1,000, second prize is 900, third prize 800, fourth prize is 500 pesos. Okay, for the Tupac Putog and Dragon, the venue now is the big tennis court. Tukad ka pa na buya, Adam Tarito. Tag of War, Israel Sangoni, Station Nika, Pasirga.
Sa'yo pa rin. Sa'yo pa rin yung winner na to ulit. Sa Barley tsaka sa Gada naman. Okay. Kailangan ko ng players ng Natonin tsaka Sagada dito. Ganun pala yung Bontok tsaka Busaw. Dito muna.
Okay na. Mate mo, nakita mo. Huwag ko yung tabi niya.
Okay, so Bontok yung sa third match. Okay, punta naman tayo sa fourth match. Si Natonin tsaka si Sagada. Natonin tsaka si Sagada. Kasi dito sa arm wrestling, single elimination, yung ginagawa natin. So, isang ano lang. So, nandito na tayo sa championship, which is yung maglalaban is Natonin tsaka Bontok. Okay. Yung player ng Bontok, dito muna. Okay lang, rest lang.
All the children participating sa fun games, please proceed dito sa Provincial Plaza Ground. Once the start na po kayo. Aming urbing na makialam for fun games. Umagal dito yung Provincial Plaza Ground at start kayo. Thank you.
Okay, player ng Sagada. Okay ka? I-ano natin yung positions natin para makuha natin yung first, second, tsaka third. Okay, so yung winners ng tatlo na yun, sila yung maglalaban for this championship. Okay, so go there. Okay ka na? Kaya pa? Kaya? Okay.
Facilitators for fun games, please. Be here at my left side, please. Fun games.
Okay. So yung gagawin natin,
For fun games, agad
habang
yung mga
nagpapahing kasi
ibigay na
Natonin, si
gusto natin.
Sagada at saka si
Facilitator.
Bontok. Okay, yung mananalo dito, siya yung kakalabanin ni Natonin. Okay, yun na yung kung sinong nanalo doon. For example, kung sinong nanalo dito, nakakalaban kay ayun, Natonin. Depende sa ano, kasi ganito, Sagada, Bontok, kung sinong mananalo doon, standby. Okay, maglalaban sila Natonin tsaka Bontok. Kung sinong mananalo doon, standby. Sila na yung championship. Okay? Okay. So, si Bontok yung nanalo dito.
Na-rex team mo yung silver.
Okay. Yung gagawin natin. Ayun na din. So, kung gusto nyo maglalaban ulit tayo. Kasi kung sinong manalo dito, kayo din, dalawa yung maglalaban sa dito. Kung gusto nyo, kuminduwa ka. Hindi.
Paikatun yung hindi nakakuha.
Pa, kayong dalawa. Kung sino mananalo dito, kayo din yung
Ano na yung performance? malaki hindi na.
Hello po, kids. For municipality for marble relay, 5 participants, boys and girls category po. Mix po pala, mix. So, pili kayo po ng 5 participants po, marble relay. Per municipality po. Marble relay po ang first game for kids. Fun game.